Right now, welcome to Bessey Custom Designs, where we're making hexagon shells, and so we basically have them assembled, and now we're going to go to the next steps, where we're going to finish them. Lots of sanding, as you know, in woodworking. We spend half our life sanding, it seems, and finishing. But anyways, welcome to Bessey Custom Design. Sorry about that. We're still thrilled that we hit our 1K and that we're now monetized. We're very excited. Thank you all the subscribers for helping us to get there, and we won't disappoint you with future videos. We try to take all of your tips and your hints, not all of them, but as many as we can, and implement them. For example, we had a subscriber recommend that we use painter's tape to join together the pieces of wood. I have Bessey clamps that I purchased specifically because try to join a hexagon shape with regular clamps ain't gonna happen unless you make a jig. So I bought those, and I did notice that you can use painter's tape to do the job. So now what we're gonna do is take this guy apart and take the clamps off, take the tape off, and we'll look firsthand to see how it performs. Okay, so if you're not familiar with the hexagon shells, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. The angle is 30 degrees, so you can cut that on your table saw. That's what I did. I practiced on a chop box, so I just had a mint, and it's in my throat, sorry. And so this was the very first one we did. Some of the things you want to be careful of is make sure that you get the glue as much as you can out while it's wet, you know. And with the clamps, the Bessey clamps, there's areas that I could not get at the glue. So that's a negative for the Bessey clamps. So that's that. I'm making 3 of them, and you know, I'm really excited about making these guys. All right, so without further ado, and checking the camera, I've made entire videos where I came back and nothing was there. That's always fun. So let's go ahead and look up actually you can't even look up the other video because I didn't post it yet. I have 2 videos. You can watch those. They're a little bit long, but you can see how I went about using this. I did side-by-side clamping. So there you go. Now let's just take this off and have a closer look and see how it came out. Naturally, painter's tape is a heck of a lot cheaper than the Bessey clamps, although I'm pretty sure there's going to be projects that I'm going to say what would I do without those Bessey clamps. So we can look up the episode where I unpackaged them, and we talk about the extra box of corners that you have to buy because they come standard with just joining up 4 corners, but these guys here allow you to angle that at that 30 degree. So all right, so this is hopefully going to go quick, taking off this painter's tape. All right. So we have a variety of videos. We have some 700 videos on a variety of subjects. So when I pan around the shop and if you see a tool, I probably did not 1, but 2 or 3 videos on said tool. And we have the recent privilege of giving away some of the tools that I have in the shop to those who are just starting out or don't have, you know, the funds to get the tools that they want. That was me at some point when I was raising my family, my young family. We have 4 grown-up children now, and so you know we're not buying diapers every 3 minutes. Things that it takes to raise a family, so we're able to do that. So it's really nice to be able to pass along some tools. We just passed along a radial arm saw, and we'll be passing that along a router this, that, and the other. Some Ryobi tools, because as you know, if you're watching my channel, there's a lot of tape on here. You'll know that we switched over to DeWalt that you can see here in the background. DeWalt batteries that come with that. The tools themselves are really extraordinary. I want to say they've come a long way. The very first set of battery operated I got were quarter cable, and they had the older technology batteries in them. Well, they may have been strong and had decent torque power like the Robies. The batteries just simply didn't last that long. So you had to really pick your projects as far as what it is you were doing. Make sure you had the power. I think I'm almost done with getting off the tape. There's a lot of tape, my friends. All right, so I have a similar issue with the let's see if we can zoom in a little bit here. The glue, even being under the, I'm going to warn you now, it's going to be a little bit jumpy. You can see that we've got some glue on the outside here. It argues there's actually more glue on here. So there you go. Well, did it do the job? Is it strong? Did the glue adhere to the wood and the wood to the glue? I would say so, yes. It's quite strong. So mission accomplished. We used painter's tape to join this together. So let's go ahead and put this aside. I'm going to go ahead and zoom back out. And then we'll take the Bessey clamps off. Again, I warn you, it's going to jump a little bit. All right. So let's go ahead and take the Bessey clamps off. Then look up when I get them uploaded. I'll upload them after this video. I want to get this video up there, and then perhaps we'll create some interest as to how it went using the Bessey clamps versus the painters. All right. So yeah, look up that video to see how the Bessey clamps work and so forth. As easy as that is, taking them off. I highly recommend you. For now, I'll hang them here. Hang them up and get them situated. I think that'll be the last time I have a peppermint patty before I do a video. That is the first time I ever got hit so hard with a patty. All right, so there you go. I did decide to go with the Bessey clamp. Look up that video as far as how much it cost to get them, and the auxiliary. These clamps here that have the swivels on, that adjust to the angle. I'm gonna be right back. I think I have another clamp system that I got for Christmas some time ago. I actually forgot that I got that, and it looks like they do adjust also, so they can adjust to the various angles. And mind you, there's really only 4 on there. I would imagine that you can get more of these clamps, these angle brackets. So at any rate, there you go. I didn't even open him up. I said I forgot I had him. There you go. So now we're taking a look at this guy. I have a lot of glue built up here that I'm going to have to sand off. That's okay. I made sure, though, that I got the insides. That was easy enough to get at. All right, so really, I'm going to think about hexagon shells and how you can configure them on the wall, so on and so forth. You could do things like this. Clamp that together and put that on your wall in various ways. A lot of fun. I'm not really sure how, this is actually a Christmas present for my daughter, so long overdue. We're in March. Whoops. So at any rate, lots of fun there you can have with these guys. So I'm very happy to finally be done with the clamping part. All right, so what are we up to next? As I explained, we're going to have to sand those down and finish them, and probably going to put a nice little round over or some type of router edge on the outside, and then they're going to be clamped to the wall somehow. We'll have to figure that out. So what we're going to work on next is we're going to talk about some stand-up desks. There's more and more of a trend where where office workers like myself, I'm a QA software guy in the daytime, and I have a unit where I can grab handles and lift the desk up and then put it back down so I can stand and sit throughout the day. But before those were a thing, I built created six different styles of these units. I have one behind me that I sold to a customer, and they asked me if I wanted it back because they bought one of the very convenient units there. So this is just one style, so I'm going to show you that in a couple of weeks. Basically, it's all done, and we'll just reverse engineer it. This desk here comes completely apart, almost completely apart. Let's just put it that way. So we're going to talk about that. So again, thank you for tuning in to SE Custom Designs. If you've been following me for a while, you'll know that you had to put up with some pretty shaky videos because I use my phone, so on and so forth. Just know that I have a tripod and a camera now, and we'll try our best to go forward using that. So there you go. Thanks again. I'm going to say goodbye in the various languages that I do. Shalom, goodbye to my friends in Israel, and Bassalami in Arabic, so it's Hebrew and Arabic, Tutsins in Afrikaans, and Tzaitjin in Mandarin. See you later, goodbye. And so there you go. It's lots of fun. Thank you, guys. Again, look out my videos. Just do a wide open search, and you'll find that I've done a lot of videos on a variety of subjects. So, and I try to, sometimes I talk a lot in them just so that you can get a feel for what is surrounding that project, and some tips, and so on and so forth. So, thank you, guys. Take care, and bye-bye. Oh, yes, if you could, please subscribe to my channel. I'd be thrilled.